image of a point in a plane. Under this topic, the question is to find the image of a point 134 in the plane, and equation of the plane is given to us. Now, let Q, point Q be the image of point P. Now, let this be the given point P 134 in the plane, and equation of plane is 2x minus y plus z plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, the line through P, the line passing through the point P 134 to the given plane is, now it is x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y minus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to z minus 4 upon 1 is equal to, say, lambda. Let it be equation 1. Now, coordinates of any point lying on line 1 are 2 lambda plus 1, 3 minus lambda and lambda plus 4. I have just changed this one for the easy part. Okay. Now, let capital R be the midpoint. Let capital R be the midpoint of PQ. Now, coordinates of R. Coordinates of R will be now 2 lambda plus 1 plus 1 by 2, then 3 minus lambda plus 3 upon 2 and lambda plus 4 plus 4 upon 2 or this can be written as lambda plus 1, then 6 plus lambda, 6 minus lambda upon 2 and 8 plus lambda upon 2. So, these are the coordinates of R. Now, R lies on the plane and the equation of the plane is given 2x minus y plus z is equal to minus 3. Therefore, 2 with lambda plus 1 minus 6 minus lambda upon 2 plus 8 plus lambda upon 2 is equal to negative of 3. Now, just solving this one, 2 lambda plus 2. First of all, let us use the LCM part. Okay. So, this will become more easy. Now, 4 with lambda plus 1 minus 6 minus lambda plus 8 plus lambda is equal to negative of 6. Now we can open the brackets. Now we are having 4 lambda plus 4 minus 6 plus lambda plus 8 plus lambda is equal to negative of 6. Now 4 lambda plus lambda plus lambda. So we are having 6 lambda, then plus 6 is equal to negative of 6, and this implies 6 lambda is equal to negative of 12 and lambda is equal to negative of 2. Now substituting value of lambda is equal to negative 2 in the coordinates of point Q, two lambda plus 1, 3 minus lambda, lambda plus 4. So we are having now 2 times negative of 2 plus 1, 3 times negative of negative 2 and negative of 2 plus 4. So this becomes now negative of 3, then 5 and 2. Hence required image of point P in the given plane is minus 3, 5 and 2. So we have just written here coordinates of any point lying on the line 1. Here we can write Q, or it is already understood, already mentioned above also. Okay, so one and the same thing. So this is the answer.